Hi beautiful people, I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. Today I have an X-TRESS glueless silky Brazilian virgin straight human hair wig with bangs. The wig came with a pack of wig caps. The color is a 1B30, it's ombre and it's 16 inches. It was okay out the box. Came with 2 combs at the top, 1 at the nape with a standard strap. So out of the box, guys, I was looking at it like, I don't know. But I brushed it a little bit and decided I would see what I can do with it. I straightened it a little bit because it was just it needed a little bit of straightening. So I just used my hot comb to straighten the bangs and the side. Then I went in and flat ironed it with my flat irons on 400. It really started to look a lot better after I flat ironed it. I went in with my herbal essence mousse at the top to help with flyaways and just to give it like a nice shine. I went in and used the back of the hot comb to lay the hair down, and like I said, to add the shine as well. It just kind of makes it more finished and put together. Then I decided to clip the front just a little bit to frame my face, and the bangs were a little long in certain places, so I clipped those as well. I also clipped the ends a little bit in the front because they were kind of a little raggedy. So I just went in and clipped those. So guys, here's the finished product. Pros for this wig is very beginner friendly, it's glueless. The color was awesome. She didn't shed or tangle. My con is I wish she was a little bit thicker. The quality of the hair was okay, but I wish she had been just a little bit thicker. But overall, she was nice. And I think she turned out well. Guys, let me know what you think. Thank you for coming to the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. We're friendly here. Not too friendly, but we're friendly. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.